Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about process and provisions of appointment of additional director. As we know, there are the many type of director under Companies Act like additional director, normal director, managing director, whole-time director, independent director and etc. In this video, we are going to discuss about who is additional director and what is the process of appointment of additional director. As per Companies Act, whenever we have to appoint a director, then appointment shall be under section 152. But for appointment of director under section 152, it is required to take approval of the shareholder of the company. The power to appoint director is lying with the shareholders of the company. But it is not possible for the companies every time to call the meeting of the shareholders. That's why a concept is introduced under Act under section 161 as an additional director. Section 161 subsection 1 states about the provisions of the additional director. As per section 161 subsection 1, if the power is mentioned under article of associations of the company, then director can be appointed by the meeting of the board of director also, and such director shall be called as an additional director. And truly speaking, there is no difference between normal director and the additional director, but there is a small difference between both. Once we appoint a normal director under section 152, tenure of that director shall be decided by the shareholders. But the additional director who is appointed under section 161 subsection 1, tenure of such additional director shall be up to next annual general meeting of the company. So the additional director shall continue as an additional director only up to next annual general meeting of the company. If the company want to continue such person as normal director even after the annual general meeting, then it is mandatory to regularize such additional director in annual general meeting with the approval of the shareholder of the company. So in short, additional director can be appointed by the board of director, and the tenure of such additional director shall be up to upcoming annual general meeting of the company. And company want to continue after the annual general meeting, then company need to regularize him in the annual general meeting of the company. Now let's discuss the process of appointment of additional director. Whenever a person want to get appointed as a director, foremost requirement that person must have a DIN number, director identification number. So before appointing any person as an additional director, first the company have to ensure such person is having DIN number. Second requirement, such person will give his consent in DIR2 format to act as a director of the company. After receiving of consent in DIR2, company will call a board meeting. In that board meeting, company will pass a board resolution to appoint such person as an additional director of the company. And after board meeting, within 30 days of holding a board meeting, company is required to file DIR12 form with a copy of board resolution and the copy of consent of director to appoint such person as an additional director. So the tenure of such additional director shall be up to annual general meeting. If company want to continue such person after annual general meeting, then company have to follow the process. Process 2. Company have to mention about regularization of such person as a normal director in notice of annual general meeting. And in the annual general meeting, company have to pass a resolutions by the shareholder of the company as ordinary resolution. And within 30 days of annual general meeting, company have to file E-form DIR12 with a copy of resolution passed by the shareholder as change in designation of such person from additional director to director. But if a company don't want to continue such person as an additional director after AGM, in that case, company shall not pass any resolution in annual general meeting. Just after annual general meeting, company will file a DIR12 within 30 days of AGM. In that DIR12, company will mention cessation of such person from the post of additional director. So these are the provision and process of the appointment of additional director. There are some question came into mind regarding the additional director, like if an additional director is not regularized in the annual general meeting by mistake, whether such person can continue as a director in the company. So as per the provision of section 161 subsection 1, if a company fails to regularize a director in general meeting, annual general meeting of the company, such director, such additional director shall be considered as a cease on the date of the annual general meeting, and company have to file DIR12 for cessation of such director. Question number 2. Whether additional director can be appointed by the circular resolution in board meeting, circular resolution by the board of director, yes. Even additional director can be appointed by the circular resolution also. It is nothing like that, it is required to pass in the board meeting only. So these are the some provision and process of the appointment of the additional director. Our full-fledged write-up also for appointment of additional director is published on my blog, that is www.csdiveshgoyal.info. So if you want to read the write-up, you can go through our blog also. Thank you so much.